Have you ever wondered how the wealth of a politician evolves over time? Well, take for instance the case of former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif of Pakistan. His wealth trajectory is a fascinating case study that we'll delve into today. In 2011, Sharif's assets were valued at a modest 166 million Pakistani rupees. Within a year, this figure had grown to 261.6 million rupees. A significant leap, wouldn't you agree? But the story doesn't end there. By 2013, Sharif's wealth skyrocketed to 1.82 billion rupees, officially making him a declared billionaire. A considerable jump from the previous year, and even more so from 2011. But what caused such a drastic increase in his wealth? The Election Commission of Pakistan disclosed that Sharif received over 215 million rupees from his son, Hussein Nawaz, in 2015. This was not an isolated incident, as he had previously received remittances from his son worth 239 million and 197.5 million rupees in 2014 and 2013 respectively. His wealth didn't just come from remittances though. Sharif owned a Toyota Land Cruiser, 2 Mercedes vehicles, and even declared ownership of birds and animals worth 2 million rupees. He also had significant investments in industrial units like sugar, textile, and paper mills. His wife, Kulsoom Nawaz, also held substantial assets including land, a house in Changagali, Abbottabad, worth 80 million rupees, and a bungalow on the Mall in Murree, worth 100 million rupees. By 2015, the combined value of the assets owned by Sharif and his spouse amounted to around 2 billion rupees. This was an increase of over 1 billion rupees in just 4 years. However, amidst the wealth accumulation, Sharif's name appeared in the infamous Panama Papers, a leak that exposed the secret offshore dealings of around 140 political figures globally. 3 of Sharif's children were named in the papers as having offshore holdings. In conclusion, Sharif's wealth journey is an intriguing tale of rapid financial growth. From a modest 166 million rupees in 2011 to a staggering 2 billion rupees in 2015, the increase was indeed remarkable. However, with the Panama Papers leak, questions arose about the source of this wealth, casting a shadow over the legitimacy of the accumulation process. So the next time you find yourself pondering the wealth of politicians, remember the story of Nawaz Sharif. It's a tale that serves as a testament to the complex and often secretive world of political finance.